You're looking at one of the strangest meteorites ever found. It's called Bencubbin, and when it was discovered in Western Australia back in 1930, scientists didn't know what to make of it. The Bencubbin meteorite is part rock and part metal, like most meteorites, but unlike most meteorites, it's nearly half nickel and iron, and the distribution of that metal takes quite a unique form. When you slice one of these open and look inside, you'll see large, shiny metal globules suspended in a rocky matrix, and that's very unique. These globules are thought to have formed in a massive impact early in the solar system's history that was so violent it literally vaporized the metal and the rock. As that vapor cooled, droplets of metal condensed out and froze midair, kind of like tiny molten raindrops in space. Eventually, other silicate material formed around these metal droplets thanks to gravity, trapping them in place and preserving them for billions of years. While we normally think of chondrules and meteorites as made of stone, effectively what we're talking about here is metal chondrules when it comes to Bencubbinites. At first, scientists thought the Bencubbin meteorite was a stony iron meteorite like a palisade or mesosiderite, but chemically it didn't fit when performing oxygen isotope analysis, which is a technique that helps scientists determine where in the solar system a meteorite might have come from. The result was the creation of a brand new meteorite class just for this meteorite, the CB chondrites, also known as Bencubbinites. Eventually, that class would be subdivided into CBA chondrites, which have larger metal chondrules like Bencubbin itself, and CBB chondrites, which have smaller metal chondrules. There are only about 27 known Bencubbinites in the world as of this recording. Some other famous CBs include the Grapevine Mesa meteorite from Arizona, the Gujba meteorite from Nigeria, and the Ishiyevo CB from Russia. Each one is different with its own unique texture, chemistry, and visual appeal. Because Bencubbinites are so unique, some collectors try to hunt down all of them like cosmic trading cards, but they're incredibly rare and seriously expensive. Anytime we can define an entirely new class of meteorite based upon a new discovery, it's always exciting. The Bencubbin meteorite is exactly that. Nearly 100 years later, it still represents an exciting and rare class of meteorite. If you want to learn more about rocks from space, make sure to follow the channel and share it with a friend.